Good morning. The last time we were showing a video on the shingle jig, we told you that it set on the bevel cider and did a demonstration of cutting. Now we want to demonstrate that the shingle jig would also fit on the sawmill bed using the same clamps that hook the bevel cider down to the sawmill bed. The only difference is instead of having a 10-inch bolt, you'll have a 7-inch bolt. Other than that, use the same clamps. Instead of clamping like this that the shingle jig, or excuse me, the bevel cider set up, they'll turn this way to clamp the shingle jig on. We'll go ahead and hook it up at this time and take a couple of cuts here and cut some shingles just to show you how it actually works. So, I use a power driver a lot, as you can probably see on many of the videos. So there is, the shingle jig is now attached to the bed and we're ready to cut shingles. So we're going to tighten up the bolts on the bed of the shingle jig, and we'll go ahead and cut a couple of shingles just to demonstrate the operation, and then we're going to set the bevel cider back on and demonstrate some of the other uses for it other than cutting siding. So